Greetings. Okay, the manga is finally done. It's on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description for this of this video for those of you who've been waiting for it or want to order it. The Back Door into Hermetics book has been available for a few years for those who didn't know about it. And I've also got Taylora online. So I'm uploading all the 2025 workshops onto Taylora. So as we go through each workshop, anyone who attends the workshop gets that copy of every recording that we do for the whole year by attending a workshop. Those who haven't attended a workshop and want access to it, you can purchase those through Taylora. This year's recordings haven't been made public yet. We'll accumulate for a few more, but all the past courses and workshops are there. The last year's October Qigong Teachers Workshop is still being edited, so some of them are there but not all of them, and we'll put it online for sale as soon as more of those are finished editing. And the Vimeo channel, people who previously had access, I believe they still have access. People have told me their codes are still working and they can still get in. I don't know for how much longer that will be the case, but for those of you who have lifetime codes, I hope you've downloaded the videos to keep them for life. Those of you who were on monthly, that may have expired, and they stopped more monthly subscriptions. But I've lost access to 1,400 videos on Vimeo, so everything I posted there just disappeared from my personal access. But people who have VIP codes apparently still tell me they could still get in. So I'm not sure what's happening with Vimeo. My apologies if it inconveniences anyone. The courses are still available at Mystery College and the Marshall Man, and Simon's got his website there as well. And we've got a couple more people who are going to be posting the courses on their websites. So there'll be a few more places you can get access to it if you wish. And in closing, if you haven't been to Koyasan, it's a pretty amazing place. When you've got these sorts of trees and this sort of energy, it's the most spiritual place on the planet. And I'm not sure how well this video conveys it, but the profound depth of stillness and presence that this place has is absolutely incredible. And the temples here allow for an up to 3-day stay. So if you do come to Japan, I would allow at least 3 days here in Koyasan of that stay, and you'll have an absolutely amazing experience. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, and see you guys down in the comments or in person if you attend a workshop. Be well.